Hello everyone, how you are doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time on seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And please, if you know that you're watching me right now and you haven't subscribed yet already, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on your screen. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be the first to be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys. Quick one here. Today's video is not going to be about tutorial or recipe or formulating of products. Today I quickly want to film this video and it's going to be very short. This is me reminding some of you that have been watching my video for a while now, or for those of you that haven't seen my video where I talked about my upcoming skincare training. This is like the last video I'll be doing because the training is starting on the 11th of April and today is 9th of April. I want to quickly show you guys something. This is the date here, and I'm filming this video at 9:32. I initially didn't want to do any video regarding this training because I felt like I've done enough video for you guys, or for those of you that are interested. But today I just feel like let me quickly do this video because I know that there are few people that haven't seen the advert or that haven't seen me talking about this skincare training. And then the main reason why I want to quickly talk about this is for those of you that don't have any idea about it. This is an opportunity for you because this skincare training is very cheap. Yes, I would say it's very cheap and is on discounted price. Normally this skincare training should be around 80,000, I think 85k, and I'm doing this for 55,000 naira. And this training is two different type of training. It's not like it's just one training. You're going to be learning oils, you're going to be learning soaps, cream, face cream, scrubs, and cleansers, serums, and all of that stuff. So if you know that you are interested, please just grab this opportunity because after this training, honestly speaking guys, I'm not lying, I'm not even kidding, after this training I don't know when I'll be doing any other skincare training because I feel like this is the free time I have this year, because in fact all the other months that I come here is already occupied with a lot of things that I need to do because I'm planning to launch my brand anytime soon. And before that, I quickly want to just fill the gap to do some few things that I know that I can actually do for now. So I've already have a lot of DMs on my WhatsApp, people requesting for me to do skincare training, and here the skincare training is almost starting. And some of you have been watching the videos, some of you even chatted me up talking something else which I don't want to share with you guys. But please, if you know that you are interested in this skincare training, please just grab this opportunity, except you don't want to learn from me or except you are not interested. But if you know you are interested, you are really interested in learning how to formulate skincare products ranging from soaps, scrubs, creams, face creams, cleansers, and a lot of things, just grab this opportunity because I don't really do full course training like that. I do it like, let's say, once in a while, and most of the training I always do is based on personal trainings, or sometimes I just do oil trainings. And I decided to just put these two trainings together. After the full course training, they will now move into the oil training. You guys know that my oil training is 30,000 naira, and it's just like for like 2 days, and you get to learn 12 different type of oil. And that is still the same thing you're still going to be learning in this training. You'll be learning that same full course training concerning oils, learning 12 different type of oils, ranges for whitening, lightening, brightening, repair oil, stretch mark oil, kiss body oil, and then you get to learn the full course training as well. So you can see that there's a lot that I'll be giving out, a lot that I'll be doing for just that small amount. So please, if you know that you're interested, don't forget to DM me. I'll leave my number on the screen. And I think after this particular video, probably after we have started with the training, I might probably delete this video because I know that there are still gonna be people that will still chat me up after we must have started doing the training, or after we are even done safe. Some of you will still chat me up, oh, I saw your advert, and I know that some of you might have seen the video and you just decide to ignore. And I don't want to be rude to anybody or just to talk anyhow, something like that. If you cannot do it now, maybe you have to wait till maybe by December when I will have to announce another skincare training. But after this, I don't know when I'll be doing any other skincare training. Seriously, I don't know. But that is all I really have to say. I have to try my best to edit this video this night and I'll upload this video. This is not the time I usually upload, but I just have to do it just for those of you that are interested, you know, and for some people that haven't seen the video yet, so that they can be aware of it. So I'll just try my best. Probably before 11 I might be able to upload this video. So guys, I'll leave my number on the screen. Chat me up if you know that you are interested, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Love you guys. Bye for now.